Are you ready for some serious contouring? So again, this whole look, when you're doing makeup this heavy on the eyes, you want to do the rest of the face, not heavy, but like as intense, because then it'll look funny. So I'm using the Vanity Makeup Cosmetics. I'm gonna use the contour and highlight, and this is in the shade Light. Okay. Just going along the cheekbone. And I prefer pressing into the skin than like swiping. I don't know. It's just gentler on your skin, I think. And then I'll do nose. Okay, so for the nose contour, I'm using just like a flat brush. You can use any, like you can use an angled brush. Sometimes that's easier. And I just go to the areas that I want to bring back, not forward. So like my nose gets a little bit bigger here. And then highlight. I linked the full tutorial on how I got this Black Smokey Eye below as well, if you want to watch that next. And then we're going to blend. And this is the e.l.f. brush, concealer brush. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender on the area. I didn't really do a lot of foundation, but to blend in the highlight. I'm curious if you find these in-depth tutorials helpful. So if you do, leave a comment below and what you might like to see next, or give a thumbs up. Thanks. Now for nose. And then if you want to blend any more, just use your beauty blender. And then I'm going to try the Huda Beauty powder, the pound cake. I haven't ever used it before and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to make sure that there's no creasing. I like it cool so far. My skin's really dry, so I'm very hesitant about certain powders, but that's pretty nice. All right, now blush. I'm using Melt Cosmetics, and this is in Pink Sand. And I'm using, this is the Real Techniques brush. It's just one of their contour brushes. When you do really dark eyeshadow, don't be afraid of doing a little bit more blush than you normally would, because at least on me, if I do dark eyeshadow and I don't have enough, I don't know, it makes you kind of look washed out, so just add a little extra. Okay, now for bronzer, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Duo. And this is an e.l.f. complexion brush. This is the matte Give Me Sun. But I like the nice pimple that's in the middle of my eyebrow. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills, her brush, and this is taupe powder. Okay, so I'm using MAC 6 Plus. This is their Gold Light. Really lay it on. And here's the final look. If you want to keep upping your makeup game, make sure to subscribe.